Hello everyone, let's discuss another set of MCQs of Limitation Act 1963. Question number 1, mark the incorrect statement. Let's see these statements. The facts that appellant or applicant was misled by an order, practice or judgment of the High Court in ascertaining or computing the prescribed period may be a sufficient cause. ये statement आपका section number 5 से आया है. And this statement is right. Second statement, when one of several persons jointly entitled to institute a suit or make an application for the execution of a decree is under any such disability and discharge can be given without the concurrence of such person, time will run against them all. Again, this statement is from section number 7 and this is also correct. Statement number 3. The manager of Hindu undivided family governed by Mitakshara law shall not be deemed to be capable of giving a discharge without the concurrence of other members of family only if he is in management of the Hindu joint family property. Now this statement is again from section number 7 and this statement is incorrect. Why incorrect? Because Hindu undivided family manager has the capability of giving concurrence on behalf of the other members. So आपका यहाँ पर not गलत है. Next, a civil suit was dismissed by trial court on 15th March 2024. The certified copy of the judgment was applied for on 18th March 2024 and was received on 25th March 2024. Now you have to tell when will the prescribed period expire in this case. So let's see. First of all, we need to know that time will start running on which date. So time will start running from 15th March 2024. Now, the time for appeal is 30 days. Now you have to calculate 30 days from 15th March. After calculating 30 days from 15th March, you have to exclude one day from the first day and include it in the last. So basically, आपको एक दिन 30 days में add on करना है क्योंकि आप फर्स्ट डे नहीं काउंट करते हैं. दैट इज आप 15th मार्च से कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे, आप 16th मार्च से कैलकुलेट करेंगे. और जब हम 16th मार्च से कैलकुलेट करेंगे 30 डेज का टाइम, तो हमारा आंसर आएगा 14th April 2024. Next, mark the incorrect statement. See, I am telling you again and again in my videos that you have to be very careful while solving these questions. Okay, statement number 1. The concept of adverse possession is under section 27. Yes, correct. Suit for compensation for acts not actionable per se without special damage. Yes, again, this is also correct कि जब तक आपके पास कोई right ही नहीं होगा, जब तक आपको कोई legal damage नहीं हुआ है, injury नहीं हुआ है, आप suit for compensation नहीं लगा सकते हो. Next, Limitation Act contains Part 5 and 32 sections. Yes, this is also right. The time requisite for obtaining copy of a decree or an order, any time taken by the court to prepare the decree or order before an application for the copy thereof is made shall be excluded. Now see, the time taken by court of a decree or order shall be excluded. Now here it is shall not be excluded. That is why this statement is your wrong. Now next, which article of the Limitation Act is the residuary provision? So your residuary provision or residuary article is 137. How much time it prescribes? It prescribes 3 years time. The preamble of the Act states Okay, so what does the preamble of the Act states? An act to consolidate and amend the law, an act to further amend the law, an act to provide more effective law, an act to provide legal recognition. What does preamble states? Preamble states an act to consolidate and amend the law. So whether your limitation act is exhaustive or not, now this preamble, these words suggest that it is exhaustive in nature. That is complete in itself. Next, where an application for leave to sue or appeal as a pauper has been rejected and the time duration which applicant has been prosecuting in good faith, his application for such leave shall not be excluded, shall be excluded, may be excluded, and can be excluded. Which one is the right option? अगर किसी ने एप्लीकेशन लगाई है अपना सूट एज अ पॉपर कंटिन्यू करने की और अगर कोर्ट ने उसको रिजेक्ट कर दिया है, अब जितना टाइम उसने लगाया उस एप्लीकेशन में उस टाइम को हम एक्सक्लूड करेंगे या इंक्लूड करेंगे? यस, दैट शैल बी एक्सक्लूडेड, यानी कि हम ये टाइम एक्सक्लूड कर देंगे. वाई? बिकॉज अगर हमने ये टाइम इंक्लूड किया तो क्या होगा कि मानो कि आपका जो एप्लीकेशन है वो गया है यहाँ तक और आपका पीरियड ऑफ लिमिटेशन या फिर आपका जो प्रिस्क्राइब पीरियड है वो यहाँ पर ही एक्सपायर हो गया है. तो अब ये जो पर्सन है ये फ्रेश सूट तो फाइल कर ही नहीं सकता, इसीलिए हमारा जो प्रोविजन है, नाउ विच प्रोविजन स्टेट्स दिस इज सेक्शन नंबर 13. इट सेज कि अगर कोई भी एप्लीकेशन एज अ पॉपर बनाई गई है कोर्ट में और अगर कोर्ट ने उसको रिजेक्ट कर दिया है तो जितना टाइम उस प्रोसीडिंग में लगा है दैट शैल बी एक्सक्लूडेड. नेक्स्ट, mark the incorrect statement. Statement number 1, misjoinder of parties or cause of action shall be deemed to be cause of a like nature with defect of jurisdiction. Right or wrong? Okay, this is correct. Second, in which of substituting or adding a new plaintiff or defendant, the suit shall be deemed to have been instituted when plaintiff or defendant was made party in a suit. Whether the statement right or wrong? Yes, this statement is also right. क्या कहता है ये statement? ये statement कहता है कि अगर कोई भी पार्टी को कोई भी पार्टी यानी कि प्लेंटिफ और डिफेंडेंट को अगर हमने किसी सूट में बाद में ऐड या सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है तो उन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दोज प्लेंटिफ और डिफेंडेंट सूट कब माना जाएगा इंस्टीट्यूट हुआ है? ऑन द डेट they were made party to the suit and not on the date when the suit was filed. Statement number 3, Limitation Act came into force on 5th October 1963. Whether this is right or wrong? This is wrong. Why? Because this is your enactment date. Enforcement date is, what is the enforcement date of Limitation Act? It is 1st of January 1964. Next, mark the incorrect pair. Okay, so mark the incorrect pair. Let's see the first one. To redeem and recover possession of immovable property mortgaged, कितना टाइम लगता है? 30 years. This is right. Number 2, buy a mortgagee for possession of immovable property. Yes, right. Buy a mortgagee for foreclosure, 12 years. Now this is wrong. Why? Because foreclosure में आपको 30 years का time मिलता है. Next, application for leave to defend 10 days. This is right. Next, the maximum period of limitation for filing a suit for possession of immovable property is 3 years, 6 years, 12 years or 30 years. Yes, 12 years. Next, which section allows the exclusion of time when proceedings are prosecuted in a court without jurisdiction? Okay, अगर आपने बिना किसी jurisdiction के या फिर आपको नहीं पता था कि इस कोर्ट में आपके jurisdiction नहीं है जहाँ पे आप अपना केस फाइल कर चुके हैं, तो अब जितना भी टाइम आपने उस कोर्ट में वेस्ट कर दिया है उस टाइम को हम एक्सक्लूड कर देंगे ताकि आप फ्रेश सूट फाइल कर सकें उस कोर्ट के जुरिस्डिक्शन में जहां पर एक्चुअली जुरिस्डिक्शन फॉल करती है. तो ये वाली चीज कौन से प्रोविजन में है? यस, दिस इज इन सेक्शन नंबर 14. If you guys like these MCQs, please do subscribe my channel for the another set of MCQs. Thank you.